Imagine installing something on your computer that can easily see everything you enter, like passwords. Hey, I'm Dr. Lonnie Denny, Bulletproof Babes, self-defense based on behavioral sciences. Welcome to our digital self-defense tip of the week. Look at the top right corner of your browser. If you see a little puzzle piece at the top of your browser, those are your extensions, and they might know more about you than your partner. It can see the websites you visit, the forms you fill out, and even the passwords you're typing in. If you're on Chrome, hit settings and then extensions, the same thing for Edge. Today, I'm gonna show you why browser extensions may be one of the biggest digital security risks, and I'm gonna show you a few quick, easy, and cool ways to protect yourself. Now, I've been wanting to do a video on malicious extensions for a while, but researching this opened up a whole nother can of worms regarding legitimate extensions that I found shocking. As a matter of fact, it was surprising to the researchers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison when they discovered that many browser extensions can access the personal information that you are putting into websites, like your passwords, credit card numbers, your social security number. The funny part is, they weren't even looking for this. They stumbled across it just a few months ago when they were looking at Google login pages, and they saw that the site's HTML source code could see the passwords they were entering in plain text, just like the passwords that you would enter. So they found that 12.5% of all extensions available for download on Google's browser have the permissions needed to view plain text data that you enter. So the problem is, even with legitimate extensions, they can be hacked, they can be purchased. To quote Jake Peterson, a senior technology editor for Lifehacker, quote, even if the hacker didn't make the extension, they could acquire a legitimate extension with an existing user base, adjust the code to take advantage of the vulnerability, and spring the extension on unsuspecting user. It happens all the time, and not just on Chrome, end quote. So let's look at this together, and I'll show you how to protect yourself as much as possible. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the little puzzle piece in the corner. We're gonna click on that to see our extensions. Okay, I actually have 4 extensions, but here's the one I wanna focus on, this Capital One Shopping Save Now, because that's a coupon extension that I rarely use. Okay, so I've clicked on that, and this is what I see. It's enabled. The 3 little dots next to that give me an option to manage it. That's what I wanna do. I am gonna click the manage on that. And look at this, all this information that I see. One thing for sure you want to do is allow automatic updates if you are going to keep that extension, and you have a bunch of other choices here. Now that was under details. Now I'm under options. It just shows me that extension is enabled. Now I'm under permissions and data. And this blew my mind because look at this thing, man. It has access to the data for all the websites. It has access to all the data for the browsers that I'm on. And a coupon app does not need access to my banking site. I am going to disable that, which I did up in the far right-hand corner. That is no longer blue, it's gray. I turn that off. So that's it. Hey, I hope that helps you out. And if you can please like and subscribe my station, I'd really appreciate it. I'm not selling anything. And if you have any ideas about your own digital security that you have questions about, if it's within my skill set, I'll do a video on it. And you can learn from that. I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon.